video will include the different hotel procedure, including the check-in, check-out, telephone, walk-in reservation procedure.
Good morning, welcome to Emily Hotel. How may I help you?
I have reservation today.
Under what name, ma'am?
Under of my name, Christine Bernabe.
Can you spell it for me, ma'am?
Sure. Christinebernabe.
Oh, yes, Miss Christine. We have a reserved for a superior room and you request a beach view with a long balcony and for 2 nights. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, it is.
Each night costs 4,000, so that would be 8,000.
Okay.
Alright, ma'am. Kindly fill your registration form. And also, this is our hotel policy. You can read if you want.
Here.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I see here that you want like to settle your payment through credit card. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, it is.
Ma'am, can I see your valid ID?
Sure. Here.
Thank you again, ma'am. Here your key card.
Thank you.
Your room is on the 5th floor and the room number is 255. Enjoy your stay and have a relaxing day, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon. Welcome to the front desk. How may I help you?
I'd like to check out.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your room number and your name?
Here, please, Diana Basco.
So much, Ma'am Tasco. One moment while I pull up your account. Before everything, ma'am, how is your stay here? Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was great. Thank you.
Glad to hear, ma'am. Ma'am, here's your summary of your charges. Ma'am, your total comes to 15,000. Would you like discharge to the card or cash?
Card is fine.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, may I please see your card for the payment?
Okay, wait, please. Here it is.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'll process your payment now.
Okay.
Here's, ma'am. Your payment was successful. Here's your receipt, ma'am. Thank you for staying with us. Ms. Basco, we hope to welcome you back soon. Have a safe journey.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Emily Hotel. My name is Diana. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to stay here.
Do you have a reservations, ma'am?
No, I don't have.
Okay, ma'am. May I know what room you want?
What room do you have?
We have standard room, deluxe, and superior room.
I prefer for deluxe.
Okay, ma'am. For deluxe room, we have a private balcony with ocean view, free Wi-Fi, a king-size bed, private restroom, televisions, telephone, and aircon.
Oh, great! Sounds beautiful.
How long will you stay, ma'am?
Just for 6 days.
And how many people?
2 people.
Wait a moment, ma'am. I will check the room if still available.
Okay, thank you.
Miss Christine Bernabe? Thank you for waiting, ma'am. The deluxe room is still available for you.
Thank you so much.
The room rate is 4,500 per night, including the breakfast. Would you like to take this room?
Yes, I will take this room.
Hi ma'am, may I know which mode of payment you would prefer, cash or credit card?
Cash, please.
The total amount of your room is 27,000.
Here.
Okay ma'am, this is your key card. Your room number is number 144.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for choosing M&E Hotel. Enjoy your stay and have a beautiful day.
Thank you so much. Good morning. This is M&E Hotel. What can I do for you?
Hello, good morning. I would like to reserve a room.
Okay, ma'am. Before everything, I would like to inform you that I need to know your personal info for your reservation.
Okay, sure.
Thank you so much, ma'am. First, what is your full name?
Diana May Basco.
Thank you so much. What is your address?
Buliran, San Antonio, Nueva Ecija.
Okay, ma'am. Lastly, what is your cell phone number?
0916-45-82985.
Thank you again, ma'am. And now, I'd like to know what date you want to reserve and what type of room you prefer.
May 14, 2025. Superior room with a view of ocean.
Okay, ma'am. How long will you stay?
3 days and 2 nights.
How many people would you like to reserve?
Just for 2 people.
Okay, ma'am. Also, I'd like to inform you that you need to pay a 20% for your reservation, and if you will be late for 15 minutes, your reservation is automatically cancelled.
Oh yes, no problem.
And ma'am, I'd like to know what mode of payment do you want, cash or credit?
I will paying through credit card.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Diana. May I know your credit card number and your email?
Oh, my credit card number is 986-41420 and my email is dianabasco@gmail.com.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Diana.
Oh, before I forgot, I'd like to avail a ride from Clark until there. I'll be arriving at 2 p.m. Is this possible?
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, I will sending your email about the policy of the hotel and also about the transaction for your advance payment.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for your patience and understanding. This is Christine from M&E Hotel. Thank you for your calling and have a nice day.